It's been a ripper. We're Slim and Soph, a couple of uni students living in 10 meters on the water. After completing some much needed maintenance and upgrades, we're back on the road to continue our lap around Australia. We've had a few of you asking us about the location of where we've been so far. We're getting close, baby! So, to recap season 2. I'm gonna miss Early! We've left Early Beach, sailing our way past Cape Gloucester, which was previously the furthermost north we've been.
This is so hectic, eh?
We pressed on through the night, which had us arriving at Magnetic Island, where we met up with our newly made friend Vernon from the YouTube channel Learning by Doing Sailing.
It's a camera battle. Mine's bigger. Yeah.
However, things didn't feel quite right with the boat after our shakedown sail.
We're off to a very Slim and Soph start.
So we headed to Townsville to iron out these creases. Hey! With the help of our new buddy Albert, who has to be one of the most technically and brilliant-minded person we've come across, we installed another huge solar panel. Now we're ready to tackle Australia's top end. After this quick detour, we headed back out to Magnetic Island because Olivia owed us a beer. Cheers, Liv.
Done.
We left early the next morning to jump on a perfect weather window for Zoe Bay on Hinchinbrook Island, which is where we are right now. We've put a few miles under the keel, but we've got a lot more to go. For the moment, that will have to wait, because while sitting here on anchor, we've spotted a waterfall flowing over a ridge and it's calling our name. Welcome to episode 4 of season 2, Over the Top.
Go for a little waterfall swim in a sec?
Yeah. So we were chatting to some people yesterday and they let us know that there's about a 2-meter croc in this little stream. So we're kind of like following closely behind this bigger tinny. So we still haven't quite nailed the croc safety, as this is probably the first, you know, proper croc water we've been in. Hinchinbrook Island has become infamous in the yachting community, not only for its beauty, but unfortunately for its fatal crocodile attacks. While most of the crocs reside in the muddy estuaries and marshlands between the island and mainland, we have been told there is a 2-meter croc that calls this creek home, and is often sighted. This makes for our first taste of true croc water.
We haven't been Adventure Slim and Soph in ages.
We haven't been Adventure Slim and Soph for a long time.
Just been swearing at the boat jobs, Slim and Soph. I've got nothing to f***ing grab onto anymore.
Yeah.
It's nice being, I love that you can get straight off the beach into the rainforest.
Pretty nice, eh?
That's insane.
As always, we've got our sensible shoes on.
Yeah, hiking boots.
Hiking boots.
Soph didn't want to pull over, she was in too much room, she's on a mission.
On a mission. You just want to dive in there. Do you reckon you could fit in there? I reckon it's too shallow for a croc to get up. Oh no, they do have legs, don't they?
If we hadn't just got water, we probably fully could have topped up here, eh?
Yeah. That is insane.
Sick that it's flowing so much, eh?
Sorry fellas, it's just a leaf. Look at them all! They're cheeky, they've been fed before.
Yeah, they've been fed before.
Look at them all! Can you see them?
Yeah.
This is only just the beginning. There is, a whole other level to this waterfall.
How's this rope?
The rope makes it so much easier to get up.
It does.
This has to be the first waterfall we have stumbled across while anchored in a bay. There's something so special about the ocean and rainforest worlds colliding. How's this? We're on top of a waterfall with a view looking down onto our floating home. We're pretty stoked. We made it! Oh!
Waterfall on top of a mountain looking at a boat.
It makes me feel so much better because I was really anxious leaving the boat this morning to come here, but now I can see that she's okay and I can enjoy myself. Everything's good.
All my life, up and down, it always comes back to you.
Woo! Deeper to stand with you.
Yeah.
Gracefully falling into a waterfall. What if there's the rare waterfall croc up here? Have you seen them ones? They swim up waterfalls. Pretty good chill spot, hey?
You don't know me the way that I know you. Tell me what you like. Please tell me what you like.
So I've just clocked herself on that branch because she reckons she can't see under her hat. I just heard this dong, big thud behind me. Oh, let's go.
We found the most epic swimming pool.
Oh, that's the best I've ever done.
I think we've found our new favourite place. This is so nice. A mixture between being in Lord of the Rings and some other crazy place.
Yes, sir. I ain't got no things, no money, no means, just a wind in the wings. Yes, sir. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down.
So one of us had to stack it.
Yeah. Fucking driver.
Oh my god, I think I got that. It was all going too well.
I used to bounce on knees. Fresh
We have one little snack. It's not a picnic, but it's a snack. And we thought we'd have it on this rock with the view before we go back down.
Pretty nice snack rock, if you ask me.
Pretty good snack rock.
I think we've told you before that we are a fan of the Tinned Almighties. They're better than the real ones. I could rabbit on and tell you why, but I'm not going to on this thing right now. How's the boat looking? Still there? We've put our shoes back on for the steep downhill onslaught. No. Couldn't be carrying him anymore.
So, we're back on the boat.
It was really sunny, and then we got, what do you call it? Sun tired, so figured we'd do some study. Soph did some editing, I did some study, and it's actually, man, I never thought I'd say this far north in Queensland, but it's actually kind of cold.
It's clouded over. We had a beautiful day and now it's just clouded over, so it's chilled off a little bit.
How's the mountains just completely disappeared again into the clouds?
I know.
So cool. I like this place. Probably my favourite place. This is just ridiculous. And I think the ridiculous wins, like waterfalls, crazy mountains, coconut trees, beach.
My only complaint about this place is that the anchorage is definitely not ideal. So like the island is beautiful and well worth an uncomfortable night's sleep, but like the anchorage is very exposed and you do need perfect conditions. We've been pretty lucky. Today sort of not blew up, but it was windier than what was predicted. It said that we were gonna have like 1 knot of wind. Started blowing in about like just probably under 10 knots for sure, but I guess it was enough to sort of chop up the bay a bit. So, but anyway, all good, happy. It's been amazing. The island's spectacular.
Back on the mangoes.
Cheers! Oh, I got a hair in mine.
Yeah, I got a moustache in my mouth.
Yeah. How cool's having ice cubes? What a novelty. It's so exciting. Look.
Oh, look at that.
That's an ice
It's
cube.
like Titanic.
Unlike the Titanic, we are floating, and it's time to leave Hinchinbrook Island behind to continue our grand quest around the country. We've got exams to sit and work to do, and Zoe Bay, although beautiful, doesn't have the reception we need, so we must press on.
Hopefully, being an ocean anchorage, I don't bring up so much mud this time. The boat's filthy. Our last couple of anchorages were pretty muddy, as you can tell. Such a stern mountain. Today, we are, as we said, heading off somewhat into the unknown. I know we'll be spending lots of time on the laptops, but also we are spending that time on the laptops in another really cool island group that I have been wanting to check out for a while. So, no doubt there'll be some, what do you call it, procrastination exploration when we're there.
We're off to Dunk Island, the biggest island of the Family Island group, about 30 miles away. It's a little closer to civilization, which means we'll have good internet coverage. And it also looks like a fairly protected bay, so hopefully Nakama will sit still so we can concentrate.
We've got about 2.4. There's a big gust coming through at the moment. We're sitting on about 1.5 knots of breeze this morning.
Look at this view behind us! Insane!
So hold tight. Oh, we're drifting back from where we are.
These mountains and peaks have got to be like the best mountains that we've ever gone past. Look at that one! It's like, it's insane.
Bad taste in my mouth. I just walk away.
We've felt a little bit of breeze behind us, so we're going to set up a venter and see if we can catch some of this breeze. Even try and get the head sail out, you never know, maybe we might be sailing today.
And we are sailors after all. Look at me, tying knots on a boat. Bit of wind
Done,
on.
that's all you need to do.
That's it, you need to sit on the boat, tie some knots on it, and then other than that you just talk about boats. The biggest part of sailing is talking to other sailors about boats, I think.
We're better off this way.
We are just coming up on Cape Sandwich, and I was so excited for this moment because we're going past Cape Sandwich.
It is pretty
Is
funny.
that not a good Cape name?
I love the creative ones.
I wonder why they called this one Cape Sandwich.
Because for a distance it looked like a packed sandwich lunch, didn't it?
Maybe. Cape Sandwich.
Yeah.
Other rock.
Mate,
Maybe because you're going between a cape and a rock,
you get the sandwich.
that you are the sandwich item. Like maybe wear a bit of lettuce, tomato, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Cruising on by the buns.
That's pretty the buns. Cruising on by a sesame seed bun. We're brushing our teeth because we're meeting friends today. Connor and Oliwia. We've already seen Oliwia, but Connor was working out in the mine, so we didn't get to see him. So, full reunion. It's going to be exciting.
Even if the walls are caving in and the ship is clearly sinking, we're going back for the coast. She doesn't want to sing it. She doesn't want to feel it. She doesn't.
We have laid eyes on Connor and Oliwia.
Naughty lady over there. Where are you? There you go. Tenders ashore. Already fully onto their location.
We've been talking about being on anchor together for such a long time.
Never actually done it.
And we've never done it, and because we've been held up with boat jobs while they've been frolicking around the islands. Now finally,
We're doing it.
We're doing it. Gonna drop anchor next to them. I'm really excited.
Do you reckon they can see my shuckers from here? What's going on? First time on anchor together.
So you guys have for sure met Oliwia. We had COVID together here. We commandeered a catamaran together here.
Aye aye, Captain.
Then attempted to scare her on a bus here. And had drinks with her here. But we believe you have not met Connor, who has mostly been away through all of this. This is Liv's partner, Connor. The mysterious one that is never around, but we always talk about.
The captain on my boat. Yes. He's it.
The person who works too much.
Yeah. Your time off guy now.
Yeah.
Woo! These guys are going to be in a few upcoming episodes, so take note of their faces. Simon's making me say this, but I found a fork. Another fork. We have 4 forks now, not just 3.
Have we what?
I've only got one of these good forks left. Did you tip them out yesterday?
No. Did you tip them out this morning?
No, I checked the bucket this morning.
Did you?
I did.
Okay. Well, how many forks we got?
We've got 3 forks altogether.
3 forks altogether. 3 left.
I'm blaming Simon because...
As you always do.
No, because I checked the bucket this morning and he washed the dishes yesterday and there was forks yesterday.
And most importantly, Sophie Schneiders does not make mistakes, does it?
Never.
No.
Apparently this is all we ever had. I'm not too sure that's where we had more forks.
So it makes me innocent of losing the forks and you guilty of jumping to conclusions. I'm innocent of losing forks and you are guilty of unfair assumptions.
You can't see the dinghy from where...
I'm also a floating god. Objection! Hearsay. That's the end of this week, guys, but thank you for hanging out with us. We really appreciate your company. If you did enjoy the episode, you can help us make these videos possible by hitting that subscribe button. If you're super into it and it's within your means, any support's appreciated over on our Patrons page as well. And otherwise, we will... I want to make it a catchphrase, like catches next week, like something like...
We normally do see you then.
Do we? Oh, we'll
see you then.
And otherwise...
We'll see you then.
We'll see you then.
But normally it's me saying, we'll see you then.
I'm going to do it this week.
We'll see you then.
We'll see you then. Go on then. Hit the button.